This video shows you how to create your first report template in Word using the Qlik Microsoft Add-in. To get started, you must have the Qlik Microsoft Add-in installed. If you're already logged in, the add-in will automatically connect to your Qlik Cloud tenant. Otherwise, log in using your Qlik Cloud credentials. In the Space field, choose the Qlik Cloud Analytics space that contains the app you want to use. Then select the app from the drop-down menu. Please note that the Qlik add-in can connect to only one QlikSense app at a time. When done, click Save. Let's start by adding a title to the report. The Qlik add-in leverages native Microsoft Word capabilities, so you can begin authoring the report using Word features such as formatting the title. Next, add a section where we will include our first chart. When ready, you can begin adding Qlik Cloud objects to your report. Select the chart icon and click the Add Chart button. You'll see all the sheets available in the app. Expand a sheet to view all available objects. Click the plus icon to add an object to the Word document. You can resize and position the image using standard Word image controls. Now, let's add another section. And we're going to add a table to your report. Select the sheet that contains the table and click the plus icon. You can choose to include the entire table or individual columns. Select the columns you want to include in the report, then click Add. You can use Word's formatting options to style the table. Additional features are available. In this example, let's add a level to the report. To do this, go to the Levels tab and select one of the available fields. In this case, select the Region field. Enable Select Fields to Add to insert a tag for the field name, displaying the region name for each level. Next, add a chart to the document. Making sure it's placed between the region tags. When done, click the Preview button to generate a preview. Click the Preview as Word to download a preview of the report. Open the file to review the report output. You can now save your report template and use it in the reporting section of Qlik Cloud. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.